Want to know what's heating up in theaters this weekend?
We are only talking, and that is it.
Take him off.
Dakota Johnson and Jamie Dornan return to steam up the screen in the sequel, 50 Shades Darker.
You're just gonna stand there gawking?
Yes.
I'm not that guy anymore.
Legendary hitman John Wick is back, taking on some of the world's most deadly killers in John Wick Chapter 2.
I'll kill them all. I am fighting a few different people. I like to fight around.
Batman needs the help of new friends to save Gotham in the Lego Batman movie.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Let's go defeat the Joker.
Woo!
See what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.